As you can see, the damn thing started again, and so wonder this fucking thing is still working. I did try my best to fuck it up, and let's see what I can do this time. Again, 3 seconds. Let's see. Can feel the heat, yeah. Let me just fry it for a couple of minutes. Hopefully this time it should do better. Ideally it should. Ideally it should. I mean, like, what the fuck, you know? Let's just see for the last time. Fuck this thing. I'm not gonna let this go that easy. Oh no, baby. You're not escaping that easy. You are so not escaping that easy. I'm fucking your happiness for a good 5 seconds this time. Oh, you can see smoke coming out. Oh, it's hot. It's actually become hot. I can smell smoke. Something is burnt in this. This time it's gone. It's so gone this time. And to be so cruel, I'll just fuck it up completely by putting it in water. You can see I completely doused that. Okay. Fry it a little bit more. Just fuck this iPod shit. Yo, you can see the smoke. You can so see the smoke. See, my sole purpose of doing everything right now is not actually, that I have too much money or I have nothing better to do. I actually don't have anything better to do, but I don't want to physically damage the iPod, you know. I want to get a replacement. I want to screw Apple for what they did to me. Oh yeah, baby, Apple, you're so screwed. I'll just wait for this thing to dry and I'll make the next video. I'll try and see if this thing starts up. That's gonna be the ultimate physical test. I mean, you've seen me burn this 5 times in the microwave. I've even fucking put it in water. Okay, I got it out. I literally boiled it. It's like, what else can I do? I don't want any money from you guys like scammers on the internet. This is fucking India. Look at me. Look at this is how I live. Fuck everything, man. Just for the interest of doing it, because I couldn't find it anywhere. Yeah. So the next video you'll hopefully see this thing. It's not starting now, but it's deceived us before. Hopefully you won't see it working. I really don't know what to do. I mean, I'm feeling like I should just plug it in. Let me just wipe it. Just wipe it clean. I hope it just doesn't blow up my MacBook. Oh, sorry, iMac. I really don't want that to happen. So, just last time, this time, okay? I'm just cleaning it up a little bit and get the water out of it. Don't fuck me this time, okay? Nope, not this time. You're dead, baby. You're so dead. I had fun. Bye bye, iPod. It's been through a lot, iPod. Fuck this. should I give up? I mean, should I really give up? I usually don't give up. I'm not gonna give up that easily. So it's actually started. Go off, you piece of shit. Okay. Wait. I can't put it in this because I mean there's soap, and I really don't want any kind of stains to show that the thing was physically damaged. So just put in another bucket full of water. Okay. This must be the hardest 6 minutes anyone had to. Okay, just 1, 2. Damn thing is still running underwater. Can you see that? Still running underwater. It's fucking waterproof. Fuck. It's running underwater. It went. It's going. Go, bitch. Go. Oh yes, that's the ticket. Die, bitch, die. It was your destiny. Today you had to die. Goodbye, iPod. Goodbye. Oh, okay. You're still fighting, eh? Still fighting, you bitch. So, what I learned today was the best way to actually kill the iPod is not just delete its memory and all. Not try to do the SSH shit that I tried to see online, but it's actually I can't even actually microwave it. That didn't work either. The damn thing survived underwater. The damn thing survived 5 times in the microwave. The damn thing is still half alive. It's like submerged in the last 5 minutes, and you can see that. And I'm sure it still has some life left in it. I'm not doing this, but I really wanted to cause some. I'm hiding my identity for very obvious reasons, and I really want to show people that see, Apple is a really good brand, okay, as such, but really, okay, don't mind me saying all this, okay, I'm just stupid, and I'm just scared that if they don't replace this, oh baby, I'm fucked. Oh, by the way, I've shown this before. It's a 8 GB iPod, okay, and hopefully, and I hope not. I better hope not. If it survives this, I'm not gonna try to hurt it anymore. I've did a lot. Okay, you people can see that it's dripping water. I've did a lot. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna stop the video now because it's not gonna start, and I'm not plugging it in this condition. It's completely submerged, and I'll plug it in later. And yeah, I'm gonna post another video if something happens. Bye bye people. Have fun. Apple, fuck you again.